What do you call this?
Shakshuka? Is that how you say it?
I have no idea.
Shakshuka?
Is it shakshuka? Shakshuka. Shakshuka. Shakshuka.
Shakshuka.
Shakshuka. Welcome to another edition of Vince's at Home. This week we have a very important product to us at Vince's Market and one that's near and dear to our heart, which is the Conestoga Free Run Omega-3
My
egg.
favorite eggs.
And it's near and dear to our hearts because this is the only egg that's allowed to enter our home. If I enter our home with any other egg of any kind, I'm told to leave and go get the right egg.
I like these eggs because the yolk is super golden.
Golden. Do you know why they're golden?
They are enriched with lutein.
Yes, and do you know how they get the lutein?
I don't know.
The marigold extract is added as a feed. All of these additional types of things that come along with the egg is all about the feed. All the eggs from Conestoga are all from Ontario farmers. Everything you want in an egg, the Conestoga egg gives us.
So now we are going to make a bruschetta sheet pan egg bake, tomato and onion base.
Okay. And it's one pan?
It's one pan.
Now you're talking my language.
Easy to serve your family if you're doing a nice holiday or Sunday brunch. And this is some fresh sourdough bread that we're going to use to just scoop it all up.
Make it all
and
good.
eat it.
What we have learned is that an eggshell is a perfect container or vessel for getting your seed started. So when we're done, we're gonna keep the shells, try to keep them intact, and we're gonna show you how to use them as a seed starter for your garden this year.
This recipe and the soil seedling recipe are both on the Egg Farmers of Ontario website.
God bless their hearts.
So we need to start chopping. The tomato and onion and garlic are going to go on the sheet pan. I'm just gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper on here. Season every layer. That's just to my
Season every layer.
We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil and some balsamic glaze. We are going to mix 125 grams of ricotta with some chopped basil and some salt and pepper. So what we're gonna do is do small dollops of the ricotta mixture around, but then we're gonna make wells for the eggs.
I'm going to start to take the tops off.
Okay, so dollop, dollop.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta make a well for you.
I got a well, I got a well.
Okay, well,
Ah!
here you go. Oh,
Wait,
I just,
Kristen.
shh.
What do you mean, shh?
Okay, I'm gonna try and do it, okay?
But no, that's not how you do it.
It's gotta be your way?
Yeah,
Is that okay?
it's fine. Okay, fine, your way works too.
We're gonna sprinkle that with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then we're gonna bake at 400 degrees.
So we just have some potting soil here, and we're just going to pack it in there a little bit. I really should make this look prettier, shouldn't I? You're gonna make a little well, and you're gonna put it in.
Just one seed?
You can do two if you like. Okay, put them all in. It's the worst that can happen. We're gonna top it up with a little bit of soil just to go on top. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water just to get it set. Every day I'm gonna keep an eye on it as I come to work every morning. Ah,
That looks beautiful.
that does look good. It does still smell like bruschetta. How do you transfer this?
Well, you wanna get a little bit of everything, right? So you wanna get a little bit of the tomato and the ricotta and the onions.
Those eggs are definitely done to a good level.
I think so. Okay, let's try it.
Okay, you're just gonna go right in with bread?
I think so, because you have to just like,
I think we cooked it a little too much.
yeah, so they're not that yolky,
They look good.
but they look good. How's it taste?
Really good. Derek, look at the yolk on this thing. Like, come on. How can you ever eat another egg after eating an egg this golden and beautiful?
They're the best.
Well, that's it for this week then. See you next time.